Protein is one of the essential nutrients for the human body. Body uses protein to build and repair tissues. Body use protein to make enzymes, hormones, and other chemicals. Protein is an important building block of muscles, bones, cartilage, skin, and blood. Protein is the key of building more muscles. It will keep muscle shape and size. While you are losing weight, protein help to keep muscles. If you are into bodybuilding or lift weights for strength, protein is the main compound to build muscle and make you strong. Let's look what are the best foods that can give us more proteins. Like and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. Number 1. Eggs. Whole eggs are one of the healthiest and nutritious foods which we can easily found. Egg has lot of minerals, vitamins, and healthy fats. Eggs are high in protein, but egg white is almost pure protein. Large egg consists of 6 grams of protein. Number 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is full of protein and it contains less fat compared to whole chicken. Healthiest ways is consume chicken breast without skin. It is a great source of protein after heavy workout to help repair tissues. 100 grams of chicken breast have 31 grams of protein. Number 3. Oats. Oats is the best natural vegan source protein available. You can make oatmeal in many ways you like, with fruits or with eggs, the way you like. It is great choice for your breakfast. Oats has 13.15 grams of protein for 100 grams. Number 4. Milk. Milk has high quality protein and milk is high in calcium. Milk has all 9 of the essential amino acids your body needs to function. 1 cup of whole milk contains 8 grams of proteins. Number 5. Tuna. Tuna is one of the best fish, low in fat and high in protein. You can have tuna with a cold salad or the way you like. 100 grams of tuna approximately include 30 grams of protein. Number 6. Quinoa. Quinoa is another source for vegetarian source of protein, and it is very tasty superfood. Quinoa is high in protein compared to most other plant foods. 1 cup of quinoa has 8 grams of protein. Number 7. Whey protein supplements. Whey protein is the watery portion of milk that separates from the curds when making cheese. Whey protein aid weight loss and faster muscle growth. Whey protein isolate is the best form to build muscle while losing weight. Whey contain 30 to 40 grams of protein per serving.